Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1972 Dodge Challenger. Before we go into detail on this beautiful blue machine, please be sure to like and subscribe below. So this is a numbers matching driver quality car. The paint itself I'd rate a 6.5 out of 10 because it does have minor imperfections. It's not perfect. When you put this car in the air, please take a look at our gallery. It's extremely detailed, so everything's been painted, brand new exhaust, the correct tips, has stainless exhaust manifolds as well. And there's no dripping from any of the transmission, either the transmission or the motor. When you look at the bright work is very nice. Front fascia looks great. All the lights and indicators work as they should. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the hood. Engine bay is very detailed, and this is a factory AC car. So everything's been painted up nicely. Correct radiator. There's your AC compressor. It does not blow cold. New battery. And then you can see, look how nice these manifolds look. If you're looking for a really nice driver quality car that is a numbers matching machine, this is definitely the one for you. Go ahead and close it. We'll go down the driver's side. Driver's side fender looks great. I don't see any dents or dimples in it. You've got your RT stripe that goes all the way to the rear, like a hockey stripe. Nice and solid. Wheels and tires are in excellent shape. The radial TAs look great. And I love the center cap, how that has that flake. Driver door is in nice shape as well. I see a small nick right here. Actually, it's just wax. That's wax. Let's see. Yeah, it's just wax. There's a nick right here. And some small touch-ups. Other than that, it looks really solid. I'm gonna open up the door for you. Interior is very clean. You've got 2 bucket seats, a center shift. Steering wheel's in excellent condition. Your door cards look great. Dash has 0 cracks. Rear seat looks good, and when we go for the test drive, we'll be able to see more of the interior. Closes easily. Rear quarter is very nice, and that body line's beautiful. Rear tires have about 90% tread. You got your Challenger emblem right here. And all the chrome looks excellent. They've painted it properly in the rear where it says Dodge, and it has that textured finish. You can hear it. Chrome looks good, correct tips, and the taillights do operate. Trunk is in nice shape. Let me go ahead and get the key so we can open it. I think it has the original spare in it. Nice and clean. Rubbers look good. Nice and supple. Let me pull this mat back. Solid floor pan. Let me pull this side for you too. Got your jacking instructions. Passenger side looks great. This quarter looks good. This is where you fill your fuel up. The stripes are even on both sides. A little bit of touch up right here. Open up the door. Fairly solid. It's a really nice car. The vinyl top, by the way, I didn't even talk about that. Shows very well. I don't see any bubble marks or delamination, so it's not pulling away from the body. And the passenger side fender looks just like the driver's side. Nice and solid. Let me go ahead and start it up so you can hear it. The 340 is really healthy. That is the original motor to the car. Not bad. Let's take it for a ride. We're inside the 72 right now. Look at how nice the dash is. Look at all the design features that this car has. So every single panel has a design feature. The center console does, the door panels do, even the rear of the seats. As you look at the headliner, it's in excellent condition. We have Mario back here. He's talking about how nice the rear seats are.
Amazing.
The rear piece for the deck lid looks nice. All the trim around the glass is in excellent shape. Horn works. Let's start it up. Oh, when I start it up, I'm going to shut it off quickly because I want to show you how cool it is when you take out the key. So it starts up with ease. You don't need to give it gas, but when you shut it off, look at this. Listen to the sound. Amazing. It's like a gun. But we'll start it up. You've got your speedometer, your fuel gauge, your temperature, your alternator, so that's telling you your voltage. You've got your factory radio and then a set of dummy gauges here. So this will be your actual temperature, your voltage, and your oil pressure. You've got your wipers here, so your wipers do operate. You've got your lights, which operate as they should, and I checked those already. You've got AC, so when you click that, air comes out of the vents, but the actual AC itself is not cold. The cool thing is a slapstick, so you can put it into the first position, and you can click it, and then you click it again, and it's as if you're fast shifting this. You can hear the engine revving out, and you can actually hit it into the position. So just like that. Let's go ahead and take it for a ride. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it down Ravenswood Road right now. We're just going to drive it normally so you can see it shift through all the gears. It's very smooth. Power delivery is even. Speedometer works as it should, so if you take a zoom in right there, you'll be able to see that. Steering is precise, so you can move the steering wheel and it actually turns. So we're going to turn left here, and we'll test it out to see how the transmission shifts. I'll use the slap stick feature, which is pretty neat. You hear the turn signal. How cool is that? It's actually pretty fast. We're going about 60 miles an hour right now. No issues at all. Brakes feel good, so now I'm slowing it down. It's not pulling left or right. Pretty peppy for a 340. And this is a numbers matching car. So you're going to get the value of investment and you can drive it. Turn left here. Yep, there's some bumps we're about to go over. No funny sounds from the suspension. It's a really solid car. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. How do you feel about it, Mario?
Amazing. I feel like Vanishing Point.
Yeah, this is the car from Vanishing Point when they it's the chase scene, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. They just gun it.